Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about when you can send BTC with Kraken. Before we get into the specifics, I want to start by saying that Kraken is a great exchange for buying and selling Bitcoin. They have a lot of features that make them stand out from the competition, such as low fees, a wide variety of payment options, and a user-friendly interface. Now, let's get into the meat of this video. When can you send BTC with Kraken? There are a few different scenarios in which you can send BTC with Kraken. Scenario 1, you have verified your account. This is the most common scenario. If you have verified your account, you can send BTC to any wallet or address you want. To verify your account, you will need to provide Kraken with some personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to upload a copy of your government-issued ID. Once you have verified your account, you can start sending BTC. Scenario 2, you have not verified your account. If you have not verified your account, you can still send BTC to other Kraken users. However, you will be limited to sending a total of $1,000 per day. To send BTC to another Kraken user, you will need to know their Kraken ID. You can find their Kraken ID by going to their profile page. Scenario 3, you are sending BTC to a new recipient. If you are sending BTC to a new recipient, you will need to verify the recipient's address. This is to help prevent fraud. To verify a new recipient's address, you will need to send them a small amount of BTC, usually around 0.001 BTC. Once the recipient confirms that they have received the BTC, you will be able to send them larger amounts. Scenario 4, you are sending BTC to a business. If you are sending BTC to a business, you will need to provide Kraken with some additional information about the business. This information may include the business name, address, and contact information. Once you have provided Kraken with the necessary information, you will be able to send BTC to the business. How to send BTC with Kraken? Now that we know when we can send BTC with Kraken, let's talk about how to do it. Here are the steps involved. Log into your Kraken account. Click on the Funding tab. Select Withdraw. Enter the address of the recipient wallet or address. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Your BTC will be sent to the recipient address. The transaction will typically take a few minutes to confirm. Kraken is a great exchange for buying and selling Bitcoin. It is easy to use and offers a variety of features. I hope this video has helped you understand when you can send BTC with Kraken. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. I'll see you next time.